Imagine that your life is like walking along a path in the woods. It's pretty nice, but every once in a while someone pops out from behind a tree and throws a rock at you. Now, this rock is a problem in your life that you have to deal with, and it can hit you in the head, in the chest, in the back, and it can make you crumble and cry and ask questions like, who threw that at me? Why did they throw it? What does it mean? Eventually, you pull yourself up and continue walking only to encounter another rock and another problem. Now, going to therapy allows you the opportunity to fully explore your fears and inadequacies and accept them in order to better understand yourself and your problems. So after therapy, walking down the path looks a little different. You notice someone popping out from behind a tree and you say, no, there's a person over there. And then you notice that they have a rock in their hand and you say, oh boy, here comes a problem. So when they reel back and throw the rock at you, you can move out of the way. Or you can grab it and throw it back. Now, therapy isn't about getting rid of your problems. You'll always have problems. It's about giving you the tools and strategies to ensure that those rocks, that those problems don't knock you down.